In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link QuickBooks with your bank account. This quick and easy process will have you set up and ready to go in no time, perfect for streamlining your bookkeeping and ensuring your financial records are always up to date. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Bank Transactions tab. This is a crucial area where you can manage all your banking activities. You can usually access this tab from the default dashboard or by following a direct menu option to your banking features. With this feature being so critical, I highly recommend bookmarking it or marking it as a favorite for easy, future navigation. Now, within the Bank Transactions area, locate the Connect Account button. Typically, you'll find this option right there within the Bank Transactions tab. Clicking on this option will initiate the process of linking your financial institution to your QuickBooks Online account. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to have your bank or credit card statements handy. This way, you'll have all the necessary information at your fingertips, such as your account number and possibly other identifying information that might be required. Once you've clicked Link Account, you'll be prompted to select your bank or credit card provider from a pre-populated list. QuickBooks has partnerships with many major banks, so your institution is likely here. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. QuickBooks Online usually offers a search function. Make sure to use that to find and select your correct institution. After selecting your bank or card provider, you'll need to input your account details. This may include your bank account number or your credit card number, depending on the type of account you're connecting. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure accuracy. Double-checking the information you enter is crucial because any errors could lead to delays or inaccuracies when syncing your transactions. If prompted, proceed with logging into your bank's portal. This step is where QuickBooks Online performs its magic by syncing your transaction history with your account. It allows for seamless updates going forward, keeping all your transactions accessible and up to date right within QuickBooks. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online. This powerful integration will simplify your accounting workflow and make it much easier to track expenses, manage cash flows, and ultimately save you time. Easy, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.